Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we've got a fantastic topic about how to make your eyes look bigger naturally. I've got some great tips and tricks to enhance your eyes in a way that feels authentic and effortless. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our beauty tips. Let's get started! Eye exercises. Perform eye exercises like eye rolls, focusing on distant objects, and blinking rapidly. This helps relax eye muscles and reduce strain. Cucumber slices. Place chilled cucumber slices on closed eyes for 10-15 minutes. Cucumbers have antioxidants and a cooling effect that can reduce puffiness. Massage. Gently massage a few drops of almond oil around your eyes before bedtime. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, promoting skin elasticity and reducing fine lines. Rose water soak. Soak cotton pads in pure rose water and place them on closed eyes for 10-15 minutes. Rose water can help soothe and rejuvenate the skin around the eyes. Cucumber and lemon juice mixture. Mix cucumber juice with a few drops of lemon juice and apply it to the under eye area. Cucumber soothes, while lemon's acidity may help brighten the skin. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night. Lack of sleep can lead to fluid retention and dark circles, making your eyes appear smaller. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to maintain skin elasticity. Dehydration can lead to saggy, tired-looking eyes. Here are things to avoid if you want to maintain the natural beauty of your eyes. Avoid rubbing your eyes frequently, as it can irritate the delicate skin and lead to redness and puffiness. Harsh chemicals. Be cautious with skincare products containing harsh chemicals around the eye area. Opt for gentle, fragrance-free products to avoid irritation. Sleeping with makeup. Remove eye makeup before bedtime to prevent clogged pores and potential irritation. Sleeping with mascara or eyeliner can lead to eye infections. Overuse of eye drops. Limit the use of eye drops unless prescribed by a doctor. Overusing can lead to dependency and may not address the root cause of any discomfort. Ignoring allergies. If you have known allergies, address them promptly. Allergic reactions can cause redness, swelling, and irritation arrow-skipping sunglasses. Neglecting to wear sunglasses in bright sunlight exposes your eyes to harmful UV rays. Long-term exposure can contribute to eye issues and premature aging. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Embrace your natural beauty. See you next time.